Well, hi again. Welcome to my latest video. Well, in this one, I'm going to do a quick review on a product that was sent to me by the manufacturer. It's called SANSHOW, SD. The name of the company is SANSHOW, and it's a company based in China, and they sent me a high-end 64 gigabyte SD card. It is a V90 SC2, which is as high as any of the other ones that I have. I'm going to go ahead and take this, do a box opening on it, and then I will compare it to three others that I have that are also SC2. Now, not all of them are V90s, just the one that I have from SanDisk. But we're going to compare them and see, which one comes out better, or whether or not this is worth anything at all. So let me go ahead and do a box opening on this, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay? Okay, here it is in the packaging. As you can see, it's got a shrink wrap around it, so I'll have to cut through that a little bit here. Get this off. Looks like that's just a picture. Oh, there's a piece of tape here. There we go. Open this up. Very fancy box here. It's got like a velvet type base to it. This whole thing pops out. And it's inside of a normal SD card plastic case. Put this aside. Let's take a look at this. Take this up, open it up. There we go. And here's the SD card out of its little box. And as we can see by that, it is a 64 gig V90. It says 2, which is SC2, and it has says 300 megabits per second. As you can see, it has a double row of LANs, which SC2 card would have. One of the ones that I'll be comparing this to is very similar. It's also a V90 and also has the 2 rows of card. So what I'll do now is I'll put this along with the others, including that one, this one, also SC2 but a different size, and a third one that's also an SC2, different manufacturer, and we'll see who performs the best, and I'll put it up in a chart here and we'll see what comparison is. Again, this is 64 gig, which represents the same as 2 of my other ones. However, this one that I have from SanDisk is twice that size, or 128. Hopefully that does not make a difference, but we'll find out. Let's take a look. Well, on this first results, we see what took place with the Lexar V60 card. And then this one shows the results from the Sony V30 card. And then the last one that I brought with me to this test, the SanDisk V90 card, which did very well. And finally, the SANSHOW V90 card, which by far did the best of them all. And here we can see all 4 sets of results together on the same screen, and we can compare them appropriately. Well, there it goes. I'm a bit surprised, actually. I thought some of the other ones would do better. I mean, obviously this SANSHOW turned out to be #1, which is good to see that I didn't waste my time doing a review on it. It also has a 5-year warranty, and I'll show you what the back of the box shows up on the screen right now, and gives you a lot of details about the device itself. I've also put down in the bottom, the notes of this video, a link to the manufacturer website to order this. I didn't see it at Amazon at the time of this filming, but maybe it'll show up, and if it does, I will then add that link to the notes when it happens. But for now, hopefully you've got something out of it, and you would possibly consider this product as a way to go. As an epilogue to it, I can tell you this. This Lexar that I have, which is something I paid a lot of money for, I'm going to rotate it out of my camera rotation, if you know what I mean, because it did abominably poor for what this thing cost me. And it was advertised as providing a lot faster speed than that. And I've used it in my cameras, not the camera that I'm looking at right now, my high-end full-frame camera, but in some of the other ones that I've had that are also 4K. I don't recall any problems with it, but I'm not going to take a chance. So anyway, just wanted to let you know my personal reaction to the review of this SD card. Take care.